Hey guys, I look like I have a top on, so shh, I'm vlogging. We're at Leah's house right now. Her birthday's tomorrow. And we decorated her room. Kate's here, Sophie's here. This is what it looks like.
It says hashtag B-Day.
Not there yet. And there's streamers right here. There's streamers right there. Happy birthday, streamers up there. Hashtag B-Day. And there's confetti everywhere. Now we just wait. We are at lunch right now. We're at Mexican. We're having a great time.
Wait, Grayson, stop.
Oh my gosh, insert the video of Leah getting scared right here.
Right here.
So
You scared me! Hey everyone. It is my birthday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow's my birthday. June 29th, 2001. Oh, did you know I also have the same birthday as Camila Mendez?
Oh really?
Yep. Camila Mendez.
I was like, I know.
We're at Mexico.
I have the same birthday as The Rock.
I have the same birthday
That's
as
actually better.
the best friend from Henry Dandruff.
Who is that? Watch him. A little ASMR.
Stop it.
Cheers. This is Chris. He misses you all.
Chris, I miss you. We will see you at the next location. Leah doesn't know what it is. Okay, we are at CVS right now. We just went to the bathroom. We got coffee. They already drank theirs.
Did not appreciate my coffee
It's
place.
honestly, okay, it's called
really
Clutch.
Good. You literally get Starbucks every day, and Starbucks is the
I do
most
not get
amazing thing
Starbucks every
ever.
day.
Go to Clutch Coffee Mart. It's amazing.
Starbucks? But I don't go every day.
Is that the main place you get it there?
Me and Sophie would go way too much.
Where else do I get coffee? Doc Donuts has the best coffee ever. Yes.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Anyways, oh, Dunkin' Donuts is good too.
We're walking to go somewhere. Leah doesn't know
Can
where
we
we're
tell her
going
now?
or what we're doing.
So, can we tell her? Can you
No,
tell her?
we have, when we get closer, we'll tell her. Leah, we're here.
Yay! I'm just gonna assume I need the whole entire time. We're doing a photo shoot.
Oh my gosh, we are!
Surprise!
Did you know?
Yay!
We sure she can tell because I have my camera with me.
Also, you texted me, and I saw we were at our house, and I was like, oh. Yay!
Woo! So that's also something I can check off my bucket list.
Photo shoot!
So we just finished our photo shoot. It didn't go so well.
It's so hot out here,
It's
and
really hot.
I literally got
I am
bit
the birthday
so
queen.
many
Oh, I
times.
put it on Netflix.
Yeah, Sophie has a ton of
Huge
bug bites.
Huge bug bites.
So we're gonna try again a different day, and it's gonna be
Maybe a cooler day.
yes, it's gonna be a lot better.
There's people on it. We're running on it.
We're on the track.
I'll see you guys later.
Bye, vlog. It was already recording.
No.
Hey, vlog. You don't put that in.
Give it to me.
Hey guys, okay, so we are driving right now. We are literally in the middle of nowhere. We are off the grid. There is no service. We are driving and we have no idea where we're going. Is that good?
But we're on the way to the beach.
We are on the way to the beach.
Oh my god, I got
Hey guys, we made it to the beach. It's Leah's birthday. Happy birthday to you. I just commented on her picture. I am a great friend. I'll show you what I said. Here's the picture. Cute, right? My caption is, OMG, Leah, you are so awesome. I can't believe you're 17 years old. OMG, wow. You're such an awesome friend. Hope you have the best day ever. You definitely deserve it. And those are all my, those are all the emojis. Leah got her nails done yesterday. Highlighter yellow, and then her toes are teal. I got my nails red.
Falling. Eyes.
That was so dramatic.
Hi. Oh, so cute.
An 18-wheeler almost drove into us, and I was like, I'm gonna die. My life flashed before my eyes. So Leah, how's your birthday going?
Oh, birthday great. 10 out of 10, amazing, love it. Okay, just kidding. It's been a really great day. Just having a really fun time with the bros, you know? Yeah. So we're driving here basically for like, how long? Like 2 hours? We had like no service. We were just, okay, that was a little bit exaggerated. Like,
Or like 10 minutes.
No, it was like a solid hour. Like I couldn't.
Really?
Yeah. Could not send texts or anything. Basically, we were off the grid. I want to know how I look right now.
You look great.
I need to look into the camera. But yeah, so, oh, I like that. So basically, we could have
Died.
It was so weird.
Grayson, stop that.
Hey guys, so we are
Like half.
going to the store right now. We're going to the store right now
Okay.
because we need to buy a mattress so Leah can sleep somewhere. And then we're going to dinner for Leah's birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you along with us. Yay! Oh, also, we started watching. Ow! So Big Brother started. Big Brother started the other day, and so Leah and I are. You can't see us. Leah and I are in the middle of the first episode now. Laura's already on the second one, but okay, bye. I don't think she knows what she's doing. So guys, we're in Target now. I got a bathing suit on clearance. What?
It was on clearance?
Yeah, it's only $13.98.
The bottom yesterday. It was $45 freaking dollars.
Michael showed her Snapchat and me. What did you just say?
I bought a Target top and bottom yesterday. It was $45.
Target?
And then I got my nails done. Me and Sophie.
Sophia.
$90.
To get your nails done? Actually,
Yes.
no, that makes
Well, I had to
sense.
pay for Sophie since she didn't bring money, so she's paying me back. But
Mine, to get my nails done, it costs
oh, I found it.
$47. We're getting bedding. What's the difference?
Yeah, what's the difference between that one and that one?
1 inch.
Seriously?
Grayson, come move the bathing suits.
Please?
No, come move them.
Please?
No.
So everyone, how are you doing? Like, a little update on my life. I'm having a great day.
Stop that, Grayson. Stop.
Stop, Leah.
For a minute, so.
Leah, what if someone had lice while trying that
I
on?
need to find my helmet.
No, it's not.
Oh no, what if someone else wore this and then they had lice and it's giving me lice?
Literally what I just said.
Oh, did you?
I want ice. Can we get ice? Black raspberry ice is the way to go, ladies and gents. Should we make brownies or should we make cookies?
Wait, we have cupcakes.
Yeah.
So should we make brownies or should we make cookies?
Stop, Grayson.
Here is the options for today.
Yeah,
We
play
have
some music.
Supreme Triple Chunk.
Hey, no free brand deals.
Bye.
You know, I love.
What's up, guys? So we went to Steak and Shake. We tried to go to Steak and Shake for dinner, but it was going to be a 40-minute wait. So we came home and we got
Basically, we got kicked out of Steak and Shake. Clickbait, emotional.
mac and cheese. Oh shoot.
I'm about to throw my sandwich at you. Please stop.
Okay.